Hello folks, my name's Mark. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be cutting up some rocks. These are some of the pieces that I found in Nephi, Utah last month in May. Today being June 6th, 2024. It's a hot day today, and so we're outside in the carport. Got the tile saw set up out here. Gonna run these through real quick, and then I'll take them outside to the sunshine to show them once I've got them cut. So we've got some of this dark material and that funny looking stone, some shrink wood. I'm gonna cut those, the little piece of palm wood, and this pile of seam material that I don't think it's going to be too good, but only takes a minute to cut, so we'll do it. Let's get started. here we are with these rocks that I have cut on the tile saw, and I've hardly looked at them myself. I did peek at this one because I was setting things up. Now, like I said, I didn't expect this to be the most fabulous, coolest rock in the world, and it's not. But we didn't put a lot of effort into it. Kind of interesting though. Alright, that's the first I've seen of that. Slightly more interesting, in my opinion, but nothing I'm gonna write home about. This one kind of crumbled. Now I can say that this is not a silicate. It's not as hard as a silicate, so it cut a little bit easier. I don't know what it is. Could be calcite. Could be some kind of an opal or something. I don't know. It's kind of heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. You can see it has some silicate in there, some chalcedony or quartz running through those veins. Almost looks like palm. I'll have to look at it on the video. I don't know. Very interesting. Another piece of that seam material. It's interesting, but I don't see any cabs being made there. Brown rock cabs, they just don't sell. That one's kind of interesting. It's got some color to it and a little bit of character. No idea what it is. I bet you could cab it. That could make a rock. I don't know. Some more of this. Oh, this is the this goes with that. This was the palm piece. And now that I see the inside of that palm piece, it does look suspiciously just like that. So that could be palm. Could be palm. Kind of interesting. I've never seen a piece of palm that looked like this. Set those aside. That's kind of interesting. In a brown rock kind of way. Kind of got some yellow accents in there. That's a very interesting rock. So that's that, the one that's got the pebbly outside surface that I said was silicated. And it is. In a brown rock kind of way. Another piece of that, I don't know what it is. I guess these two went together. Wow. That's different. I don't know what to say about that other than that's very interesting and different. Every one of these little seam type lumps kind of is different in its own way. A little more interesting, but still kind of a tannish brown rock. All right, here's some of the shrink wood. I cut it so that it be the long direction. Nice chocolatey brown rock with some little stripes, the little shrinks along the top. They don't go all the way through, not all of them do anyway, some of them. Very interesting. Not spectacular though. And one more shrink wood. Kind of got some pits in there. All right, I think that's it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.